Hello everyone, welcome back to Defi Dragon. Today we create a soul trending bot. This bot will post top trending pools of Solana blockchain in your Telegram group or channel. For example, here we have ETH trendings, BSC trending and Sol trending. If we click here, so we will move on the Sol trending. So here is the trending tokens, and if someone want to buy the position, for example a user want to buy in slot 1 or 2 or 3 or 10, so we can adjust it for like a 1 day or for a 1 hours, any specific time or a day, so we can adjust it in the script. So let me show you run the bot and how it is work. So here is a specific token and have position 1, and this is the time limit like a 3 minutes, and this token will be show in the 3 minutes. If we want to remove this token, let me control X, make it null, and control S. So let's start the bot node sol.js. Here it will be post a new trending pools, and this message will be added after every 30 seconds to 1 minute. So here is the now top trending tokens is monkey and is minus 33% down. And if we click here, we go to DEX tool and the details about this pool. If user want to buy the slot, then we have to make the put the information here, so we can paste the pool address of the token and control S, again node sol.js. At this time we will again this token here, see at the first position here, like here as we can see. So as you are looking here, we can add more tokens like and change the positions 2, 3, and also set time duration the tokens want to display in the list.